Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this Craftsman 7400 Pro Series. I believe this is a garden tractor. This features a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. Newer battery, September of 21. Got this brush guard, it just locks back up into place like that. Taking a look at the machine, cosmetically, it's in really good shape. This wheel is a different color than all the other ones, so I'm guessing that this one was replaced at some point. This tire also does have a slow leak in it. Features a 48-inch cutting deck. The seat has armrests. We've got 493 hours on this machine. 493.4. Both headlights work. Mower deck works. Mower deck in reverse works. The engine starts right up. Runs as it should. The fuel shutoff solenoid has been bypassed on this one. So if you heard a backfire, it could have been caused by that. Machine starts right up, runs great. Steering, one of the wheels looks like it maybe kicks out just a little bit, but seems to steer okay. If you're interested in this machine, if you would like to take it for a test spin or take it home, you can call or text us at 660-888-7288, or you can email us. Our contact information is in the details below. Hey, thanks for watching.